at Fort Myers Beach, and it doesn't look too much neat, but trust me, it looks much better than like 6 months ago and even 3 months ago. We just found parking right here on the right. It's $4 an hour, but there are people who are giving you the whole all-day parking for $20 if you want to spend the whole beach day out here. Unfortunately, most of the businesses are still not back because the damages are too bad, and again, there is no time, no resources to make it fast. But it's going better and better every time we visit. There you go, $4 an hour. This is like a surf shop or something. Used to be here, and we had some little shopping here 10 years ago. And my daughter, who is 17 now, she was 7, and she really wanted to buy just a stuffy over here. She saw a stuffy on the second floor. And she really wanted that stuffy to be hers forever, and she still has it. But the store is not existing anymore. Oh, this place looks better. The first time we've been here, it was closed completely. The second time, they were still like working on it, and now it looks better. I'm happy. But the pier, they started to renovate it again. It was completely destroyed. There's so many pelicans on top of the former pier ruins. All right, let's go check the beach. I don't remember what was that on my left. Maybe that was an aquarium or something like that, but just now it's nothing, just ruins again. The palm trees are standing up just because they were not damaged by wind, because the flood waters were so high, they were covering almost the top of the palm trees. That's why they survived. The good thing, the water came fast and the water left fast too, so they were able to survive. Let's go. The beach is still nice. Not really clean because it's not the main problem right now. That has to be fixed. Oh, look at these pelicans. I guess they found their happy place. I did not even know we have that many of them in here. Again, the sand is white, sugar sand that never gets hot, so you will never burn your feet, which is nice. Yes, I mean this ruins. I don't remember what was it, but I believe it should be aquarium. It looks better. It looks like cleaned up more than it was last time we visited. There were more buildings over here, but they don't exist anymore. Isn't that so terrifying? How powerful nature is. Can change your life just in one day. Doesn't smell nice. I don't know why. Maybe this seaweed is not smelling nice. I didn't check the red tide level, but it doesn't seem like it's red tide. If you ever have been to Fort Myers, maybe you can see the hotels you stopped at. We definitely have lots of pictures near those hotels. But I would say definitely some hotels are not here anymore. They don't exist. This beautiful, colorful building is looking better and better each time we come here. And the beach itself looks better too, because they cleaned up most of the debris finally. Beach rentals are out again, yay. People are enjoying beach off the boats because I guess the regulations are not back yet. Where the beach line starts, the motorized boats are not allowed to be there anymore. But we don't have beach line. So far, at least I cannot see it. Maybe it exists and everyone ignores it. I have no idea. It looks better, guys. Every time looks better. I know probably in your eyes it looks terrible, but I promise it looks much better than it was 3 months ago, and especially 6 months ago. You could barely find a place to park your car. The beach was like too narrow because everything was covered with debris. And I personally was afraid to step accidentally in the power line. I'm pretty sure it was safe enough, but you never know, right? I hope when the beach goes back to normal, they will start cleaning it every morning as they used to do it. That's all I have to say about Fort Myers Beach. Yes, it's not in its best shape, but please come visit it. There's lots of hotels open in the city. Not all the hotels are open on the beach. I would even believe all of them are not open so far. But it's not too much time to travel from the city to the beach, actual beach. And your visit will definitely help this place to go back to normal faster. And this is wonderful. All right, please like this video. Share it if you want to with your friends. And subscribe to my channel so you can see more nice videos about the situation in Florida, on Florida beaches. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.